Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video we'll be looking at the BTC and Ethereum price actions, and I'll be going through in depth some educational content. Hope you will enjoy. By the way, if you're enjoying from the videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which helps the YouTube algorithm to reach more people, and of course you will get a top crypto technical analysis on a daily basis. Let's move on. We're going to be looking at the BTC price action. We'll be starting from BTC. As you see, yesterday actually the entire market was green and except XRP. That's why I posted, because only the XRP against the USDT pairs here. So it was just the XRP, as we said. Nothing has changed. You can watch yesterday's video that I went in depth. And after that, BTC stopped at exact to our target price 2, which gave a 7% profit. However, I'll be watching the next 4-hour candle and as well as daily close. Hope you guys made some profit. Actually, that was sweet, 7% profit on spot. And after 3 hours, I also updated. Seems bulls are exhausted under 4-hour time frame. Watching closely, if it managed to flip our spot resistance 1, which I mentioned in today's video, taking long would be ideal. For now, I'm a bit cautious about it. As I said 5 hours ago today, I updated that I showed. Actually, you remember, we took it long from here. Our target price was primary and secondary. I'll show you, that was actually exactly 7% plus profit. And on this update I said 13th of December BTC, after third attempt, BTC managed to break our resistance zone 1, which is this. Under 4-hour time frame, BTC doesn't look strong. Having said that, on daily time frame, it seems BTC has some room to grow. Under 4-hour time frame, this is not full confirmation from my end to take a long, and I have added our previous all-time high resistance. This resistance zone that you remember, I put it back. It just came back again. Also mentioned on Friday's video that weekend actually during the weekend we might just face actually this type of movements. Details will be explained in today's video, so let's get it started. So actually we've been in this box. Remember, we've been in that box since I started my YouTube channel. A couple of days I said, and then after that, more likely I said we're going to be in this box. So we were actually in this box from 8th of December all the way up until today. So literally 5 days. So as you can see, bulls are tried, first try, second try, third try, and then fourth, we just managed it. And literally now, first, second, third one, just now it started, the 4-hour candle, just rejecting from here. We'll see how it acts. However, as I said, daily could be we have some sort of room actually to go, but 4-hour exhausted, and we will be watching closely. We don't need this box. As we witnessed, this was actually, I mentioned as a bullish divergence, and that played out really well. We reached actually our target price. I'm going to show you from here all the way up, over 7% up until here. It gave literally nearly 10%. Let's have a look. The stop resistance zones are in place. Nothing much change. Actually, again, week to week. Yesterday, 12 hours week to week, as you can see. And I'm much more interested what is the parallel channel actually is going to tell us. Before parallel channel, I'm going to go into look into fib level that we've been following a couple of days. There is actually nothing in here, nothing in this line. That wasn't really serious lines that you remember. 618, 5, 382 was confluencing our horizontal support resistance zones. So we don't have anything. Having said that, you see the rejection actually took place from here. We'll just closely watching the price actions. And as you can see, parallel channel from my end, 4-hour to take this swing is not really confirmed yet. And you can see here, after we're breaking that, we've got another resistance parallel channel, how it worked in the past. Rejected, couldn't break it, it went up. Rejection 2 weeks. Struggled, went up. Struggled to break down, and then finally broke it. So yeah, let's move on to daily time frame. Don't need them. On daily time frame, as I said, we'll be closely watching. From my end, it just looks quite strong. As you can see, as expected on the previous videos, we're going to come back, hug the 50 level, highly likely we might go back. If we break it, we're going to come back like that, and this might happen. But I'm still watching. This may take a place. We will see after fully it's just evolved. And bear in your mind also the bear divergence is just brewing here. And actually yesterday's candle was quite strong. Today's candle seems strong, and that's why we will be closely watching, and we might go a bit further up. I'm quite interested with our all-time high resistance zone actually here, this area. On the 4-hour time frame, I'm going to show you quickly in-depth the educational before we move on to Ethereum price action. Like we've been following actually inverse head and shoulder, and we also followed cap and handle. We also followed this triangle pattern. We also had, some may argue I said bullish flag, and recently yesterday I start seeing people were talking about double bottom. It makes sense, double bottom. However, this W shape, no matter what we're going to do, all the patterns I showed you, more than 5 I believe, just 4 or 5 patterns now, and all of them is just showing like if we have a head and shoulders, if we're going to break it, we have to take it, if we're going to break it, we have to take it from there, the neckline, yeah, the target price as you see around 23,000. The same thing applies cap and handle. The same thing applies for triangle pattern. The same thing it applies for bull flag. In the end of the day, it's just you have to break this. We have to break this all-time high resistance zone. We have to break, flip it, retest it. There are 2 types of breaks. Just break out, you can trade it. The price won't retest the support where we had this resistance. We broke it, it became support and went up. What will happen is either you just break the resistance and price goes higher and higher and higher. The second option is price breaks, retests the support, the resistance becomes support and retests, and then it goes up. So in the end of the day, all I'm trying to say is, as an educational content, you don't need these 5, 10, all of these the patterns that you don't have to study, as long as you have a solid system with a simple and classic support and resistance zone in place, so you can just take a long or short without any problem. So I showed you 5 I believe the patterns just now in here, and all of them is just looking at this all-time high resistance zones. If we're gonna flip it, that's what you need to take it, or if we're gonna break it, that's what you need to take it. Otherwise, these patterns literally you have to anyway, you have to, because you've seen from the beginning we were seeing actually how many times it's rejected. You see now even like a week to week. And all I'm trying to say is just have strong support and resistance. You can copy on your chart, or you can get in touch with me at any time. My DM is always open for the reasonable questions in regarding for TA. You can get in touch with me at Crypto Magnate 8, at Twitter at Crypto Magnate 8. If you are enjoying from the videos, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which helps the YouTube algorithm to reach more people, and of course you will get a top crypto technical analysis on a daily basis. Let's move on to Ethereum. We'll see what they say Ethereum will offer us. Similar structure on Ethereum that I was mentioning about this. Again, double bottom, W shape. However, same thing. You see, it's just trying to break it. However, again, there is minor resistance which I didn't add, but for me to take a long would be ideal around here, or once we flip this minor resistance, we will see how this all-time resistance will act. Also, the BTC doesn't look strong under 4 hours, not fully confirmed, and that's why I a bit hesitated. So I told again, on the 8th of December we're going to be on this box. Literally 5 days again we've been in this box. I'm going to hide this box, we don't need it anymore. So the price action played extremely well. You see, tested week to week, the major support level. It's just rejected twice and then it's trying to go up. And also bear in your mind, we still have this that we've been following, lower highs, again lower high. That's why I'm just waiting for the full confirmation, and then we can take a long. To get instant updates, you know what to do. Follow me on Twitter at CryptoMagnate8. Support resistance zones, as I said, is just playing and doing its role. Here again, first, second, third, 3 times rejected, and then fourth one actually we break it, and we will see how it goes, whether it allows us or not to take a long. If not, further consolidation we can expect. Again, here in tomorrow's video we're going to be talking in details. Let's have a look into Fibonacci levels. There is nothing again, it's just confluencing with these zones after breaking. There are not much thing to the left. Again, fully confirmation. Most likely probably will be from here, but I'm a bit cautious about recent all-time high, 625 level. Parallel channel, again, as I said, it's just a reasonable long, probably will be there. Again, midline that I don't need to show, that we've been following actually. That was a fake out and it just went up. You see how it worked, beautiful. It acted as a resistance here, support, resistance, resistance in the previous. So literally we've got a strong resistance ahead of us. If I'll see a reasonable long entries on the 4-hour time frame for swing traders, I'll update it instantly at Twitter. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. This is all for today, and thanks for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.